What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's your skinny boy Randy. How you doing today? I hope you're having a great, blessed, and prosperous day. I miss you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. I did not make a video yesterday because I was on CBS 6 News Live, you guys. Yes, my local news station featured me live on a gardening story and motivational speaking, and helping people that suffer from mental illness. I had no idea that my garden was taking up such a amazing effect over people, you guys. It's all because of you. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Okay, thank you. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome, you guys. It's extremely hot out here today. Wasn't feeling too good, but I have to make this video for you guys, and I just cannot turn the energy down because I don't feel too good, but I'm doing okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, you guys, if you're new to my channel, click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just the 2 middle fingers, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share the video. It always helps. It is extremely hot out here, you guys, and I told you, do not be out here working in this heat because you be done fell out, and y'all know how we... See? Anybody got time for this? Stay hydrated, you guys. Try not to work out here by yourself, far off. A lot of people have bigger farms than I do. I'm just using my backyard. Some people have acres and acres of land. Don't go out there by yourself. Don't go out there by yourself and fall off, because anybody gonna find you, okay? They be calling 911 YouTube, okay? I love you guys. You're the best. Today, I just want to talk to you about growing your cucumbers, when to pick your cucumbers, all that good stuff. It is extremely hot out here, you guys. Cucumbers love the heat. Yes, you can start your cucumbers right now. I'm telling you, because I just did it. Okay. So, cucumbers don't take a lot to grow, you guys. All you need is some seeds, some soil, and you're good to go. You don't even need to start these in the containers right now because it's so hot outside. You can sow directly in the ground. And what we mean by that is putting your seeds straight in the ground. But if you don't have a yard or a garden area, you're doing containers, go ahead and do your containers. These I planted about 72 hours ago, maybe 3 or 4 days ago. Yep. And they're already germinating, you guys. Like I said, they love the heat. I'm starting to sweat because it's super hot out here, so I'm not going to hold you guys very long. But yeah. So, in a few days after that, if you had planted in the garden outside, I like to take you guys right along with me. They start to look like this. See? Am I getting this? Yeah, you guys. In about a week, this is what you'll have. So yeah, get your cucumbers in the ground right now. It's not too late to start your cucumbers. It's going on the end of July. Perfect timing. They take about 80 days tops to, mature. And we have plenty of time. You have the whole month of August and September. So let me show you what they look like after about 60 days. And these are some I just grew on the side of the house on a trellis. I just put a pole in there. Didn't even have to stake it up yet. But yeah, you see these? Sometimes they curve, you guys. You're doing nothing wrong. That's just Mother Nature's way of saying, I'm going to do what I want to do. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you for being here. And look, the good thing about growing up a trellis, you see how the cucumber is just hanging? It's not on the ground. A lot of times, big farmers, like where my family's from in North Carolina, shout out to everybody in North Carolina, we grew it in acres and acres, so it would vine on the ground. And a lot of times, when it sits on the ground, you'll get that bright yellow under the bottom, just from the moisture in the soil, and it's been sitting for so long. That's the only thing that's going on, you guys. But yeah, when you grow up from the vine, it dangles, just like this, never touching the ground, although some will come out, on the ground. But yeah, and you can just come right to it. Let's go. Got another one over here. And see, I am letting one run along the ground. Letting it vine its natural way. And then this one, we're running up where there's a cucumber here. Look. And they pop up out of nowhere, you guys. Yes. So you pick your cucumbers when you like the size of them. Now, I like mine this size here. This is the perfect size to pick your cucumbers. You don't want them to get too big, because then they will start turning yellow and they're really not that good. I like mine with a little salt and pepper and vinegar. So we're going to go ahead and harvest this. And all you do is just gently twist. Twist. Because you don't want to damage your plant. So all we're doing is just twisting, 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 and it released itself. There you have it. Yeah, you guys. So get your cucumbers in the ground right now. And in a few weeks, you'll have this. And now what I'm going to do with this is go slice it up, eat it up, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. I mean what I say, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. I told you it was going to be a quick video. Don't forget, click like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best.